Hello friends, this is Umesh Madi. Welcome to my channel An Engineer's Guide. So guys, in the last session we learned about what is PWHT and what is the lower critical temperature. So guys, in this session we'll learn about how to find the nominal thickness to perform post weld heat treatment. So guys, before moving forward, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, which will be free for you but will give me a lot of motivation to create such useful videos for you. Also click on the bell icon to get the latest update from our channel. Now let's move towards the main part of this topic, nominal thickness for post weld heat treatments. Now let's understand how to find the nominal thickness for PWHT. Now first of all you have to read the clause UW40F from ASME Section VIII Division 1. So first of all let's understand what is nominal thickness. So nominal thickness is nothing but for pressure vessel or parts of pressure vessel being post weld heat treated in the furnace charge, it is the greatest weld thickness. It is the greatest weld thickness of all weld types as defined in 1 through 6. There are total 6 points. So we will see those points one by one. So first of all we will start with first point. So here you can see one image. So I have joined the two shells, shell A and shell B, with the same thickness. So the first point is all about, it is the depth of the weld exclusive of any permitted weld reinforcement when welded joints connect two parts of vessel. So let's see what point number 1 says. It is the total depth of the weld exclusive of any permitted weld reinforcement when welded joint connects two parts of vessel having same thickness using a full penetration butt weld. So the question might be in your mind is that what is that weld reinforcement? So here I have shown one image. So from that image you can understand what is the weld reinforcement is. Now let's move towards the point number 2. So point number 2 says nominal thickness will be depth of the groove for groove weld and depth of the groove for single or double-sided groove weld. So the question might be in my mind is, isn't the butt weld is groove weld? Yes, butt weld is also the groove weld, but groove weld cannot always be a butt weld. So here I have shown one figure in which nozzle is penetrated in the shell and welded with some groove. So this is nothing but the groove weld. Now let's understand the point number 3. The point number 3 is for fillet welds, nominal thickness will be throat dimension. For combined fillet plus groove weld, nominal thickness will be the depth of the groove and fillet throat. So first of all the question might be in your mind is what is that throat dimension? So here I have shown one figure. I'm just enlarging that view that you can understand what is actually the throat dimension. So just look at the figure and there I have mentioned that throat dimension. So from figure you can understand what is actually the throat dimension is. Now for fillet weld nominal thickness will be throat dimension. Now for combined fillet plus groove weld. So here you can see one figure in which groove and fillet weld both are combined. So in such case what we have to do, we have to consider the maximum depth of the groove or fillet weld because our process is the performing post weld heat treatment. So the depth of the groove is also the weld depth and fillet throat is also the weld depth. So maximum of both we should have to consider. Now this is all about point number 3. Now let's move towards the point number 4. For stud welds, nominal thickness will be stud diameter. So this is actually easy to understand, but still I'd like to show you one diagrammatic representation. Here in figure you can see there is stud and welded to the plate. So this is nothing but the stud weld. So guys, this is all about today's session. So I don't like to make the video much longer. So guys, if you think you got some value from our videos, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.